Listen, I participated in Kingston's Creative Art Walk. We got there extremely early because the vendors were asked to reach 2 hours prior. But when we got there, our tents weren't set up, no seats were available, we just had to wait. It finally came and we started setting up. Then we started looking at other vendors to see what they have brought, pre-eye shopping before the event eventually started.
Alright. But yeah, I walk too fast.
Oh, I'm not used to it. Another crochet designer came by. She was looking to see what I had to offer. She loved my bags and was offering tips on how to model them.
But you know,
the vendors certainly cut it close. They came very close to the start time at 11, and they did show up and showed out. I had a blast surrounded by so many creative people. There were 2 other crochet vendors. There was even a farmer. There were t-shirt designers, slipper designers, hair designers. It was just beautiful watching and seeing how they came up with their ideas and had fun displaying them.
In terms of the printing and the murals and so forth, it's a partnership between government and private stakeholders, and including Kingston Creative. They have played a major role in this. We wouldn't be here today if it wasn't the contribution and the hard work of the team from Kingston Creative. So basically, this is, I would say, just the beginning. We are, as the resources make itself available, we are expanding the work we're doing in the downtown area. I was just saying to the team from Kingston Creative that our next project here in the space will begin sometime in August, and it's Church Street. It's Church Street from Barry Street to Ocean Boulevard, where we will be bricking Church Street, putting in trees.
It's now the time for fashion. Fashion over style is now. The designers are ready, the models are ready, and let me tell you, exquisite fashions they are. The bridge.
Questa si nomina
Alright, time to come look food now. Your grandmother have snacks. Alright then, and it's lovely to and just run this for them there. You too? Everybody can go there. Your artwork, you know. Let me take your picture. Money. My one.
No additives, no preservatives.
After 2 weeks of preparation and update finally came. It was a long day from 11 to 5 p.m. What a beautiful way to have ended the evening by the beach, listening to the waves, eating good food and playing games and being around family and friends.
Crazy! Apparently we don't know about self-preservation. We don't know about self-preservation. We come straight in the danger, come sit down.